So today in this video we are going to be doing a little talk about the Instagram accounts that leave you comments on all of your pictures asking you to DM to collaborate with them. DM to collaborate. I was first kind of notified about these accounts when Emily Boo made a video about them, and if you don't follow her you should. She's amazing. She's a alternative content creator. She's fun, she's hilarious, so you should definitely go and follow her if you don't. I'm guessing quite a lot of my followers will follow her already. But yeah, she made a video talking about these accounts, and the insurgence of these accounts has like gone up 5-fold in the past like year or so, to a point that's actually ridiculous now, where you literally can't post anything on Instagram without them posting on it. Right, so these accounts, you will be able to spot very easily by so I'm guessing they're on this account. Okay, so I literally posted this photo of me with my drinking horn that my friends got me for my birthday. So posted that, and then obviously underneath you get the replies, and the first two that I got were literally, love it, DM blah 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 for collaboration, DM for promo blah blah blah. Literally every time I post a photo, another one, another photo. Vimpoke are the number one. They, every time I post anything, Vimpoke are there. Gorgeous fire emoji. Check your DM please. This time they actually DM'd me. Usually they don't DM, they tell you to DM them. Anyway, Jintyx, I don't know, official. Hi, DM for collab. Like even a photo of my dog, like I posted, where's it gone? Posted a photo of my dog. They, whatever this brand is, 60 Wear official, don't know what they are, collab, question mark, DM, but then it's a different account. Like, it makes it look like it's somebody sort of scouting people, but it's so not. It's just, they're bots, essentially. But the thing is, it's like, they tag me in stuff that I would never wear. Like, this shit. Like, no. Quite often I get ones for, like, bathing suits. It's like, hello, have you seen me? I'm so pale, do I look like I go to a beach? Ever? No. So, yeah, they're just literally scouring tags and leaving comments asking you to collab, like on everything. So I understand at first, like, getting a brand to, you know, reach out to you and stuff is quite exciting. Like, you'll be like, especially if you're a small creator kind of like me, you'd be like, oh, XXX brand wants to, you know, collaborate with me, that's pretty cool. But these brands, they do not actually collaborate with you. What they want is they want people to buy their overpriced clothes at a discount that's not actually discounted. We'll get onto that in a minute. They want you to buy their stuff, post photos of you wearing their stuff, so they can post it on their Instagram to get promo for their stuff that's just shit, essentially. So, yeah, I think that they're like a bunch of dropship things, like, because you can find some of this stuff on like Wish or AliExpress, but it's always at extortionate prices. Dropshipping, if you don't know, is where they put stuff on a website and then they like themselves order it from like AliExpress, and then it gets shipped to you direct from AliExpress. So say you're paying $40 for a top, they're paying £5 for a top. and, you know, they're ordering it from AliExpress, it's getting shipped to you for a £5, and they're keeping that profit. That's kind of what dropshipping is. So yeah, it's kind of a shitty practice anyway. But these bots kind of just scour certain tags like Vimpoke and Jintyx, whatever that thing is, will tend to scour Goth tags because it is kind of a alternative looking kind of brand. I say a brand, it's not a brand, it's a scam. So if you ever see me on Instagram, usually I post a thing, within 3 minutes I've got a few of these bot accounts just spamming me with shit. So I always just respond with,
"You're a scam, no, you're a scam, no, you're a scam."
Every time. Or most times if I can be bothered. But the thing is, like, even if you tell them no and you tell them that they're a scam, they will post on your next photo. But before, I did actually send them a message. This was the time when they actually DM'd me. Usually it's DM us to collab. Like, they will reach out by telling you to DM them, which doesn't make any sense anyway. But this is the time when they actually DM'd me. It says, "Hi gorgeous, love heart. We checked your profile and were mesmerised by your beauty." And that's a lie for a fucking start. You've got all the criteria to become an ambassador for our brand. We will be very pleased if you accept our invitation. Want to know the steps? And then these shitty... Oh, so many hearts. So I just put sure because I was like, I just want to see, like, what the deal is. It says, "Great. The steps are simple. Our brand is trying to build a community of ambassadors, love heart. So we are offering you, at the beginning, 55% discount on all products of your choice." Now, 55% might instantly pique your interest, but we'll get onto that in a minute. "Then you will have your own discount code for 50% that gives you 30% commission." Right? Your pictures will be published on our main Instagram page and website. Perhaps you'll be the Vimpoke face. We also provide free worldwide shipping. Would you still be interested? This was on the 14th of January and I've just ignored them since then. Funnily enough, they've not reached out to me again to ask me if I'm still interested. But Vimpoke have a million different accounts. Like, these poor people who have all taken these photos, they've all been scammed. But if you literally just type in, Vimpoke is like the main one for me. Like, sorry, my screen is very fingerprinty, but these are all Vimpoke accounts. These are all the spammy accounts that will spam the shite out of you. But they all have, like, different addresses. Like this Vimpoke.hl, I think was the last one. This one is Vimpoke.mj. And it has poor people who've bought this shit. So let's have a look at the website. So, Vimpoke.shop. So, this stuff is ridiculously expensive for what it is, and it is all, this is stuff that I've seen on like Dress Lily and Rose Gal. I've definitely seen some of these before. Like this dress I think is a blatant copy of Killstar. That is another thing, they have copies, blatant copies. This is a copy of Killstar. I also saw one that was like a blatant copy of one of the Rob Zombie collections from Killstar. Right, okay, I've ordered this dress myself before. Okay, so this is called the Punk Belt Dress. Okay? This is $91.51 on the Vimpoke website. $91.51. So you are, with the 55% discount, you are paying £41.18 for this dress. Okay. I bet money I can go on AliExpress and find the exact same dress for a hell of a lot cheaper. Like, I have ordered that dress before from Wish, I think, and I think it was about a tenner, if that, and it was terrible quality, like, the worst quality. It was really, really bad. Like, the fabric on these things is terrible. It's not the fabric that you'd expect them to be. It's like swimsuit material, but it's not like nice swimsuit material. They're just terrible, terrible people. Okay, so you'd probably be able to find this a lot cheaper, like by searching around a bit more, but this is £12 and 15p. Exactly the same photo, exactly the same dress. So they're buying that, they're taking your like £28 profit, and they're fucking off, essentially, is what they're doing. But that's what they do. They order it from AliExpress or whatever. I think Emily Boo showed an example of like some shoes that she found that were like 20 quid and they were charging like 120 or something. It's insane. Like, all of these websites are exactly the same. They will tell you that they're going to give you exposure, that they're going to put you on their main account. It's like, you have 7 million accounts. Which one is your main account? You don't have one. You just take these people for a ride. Even with the 55% discount, you are still overcharging people. You're taking advantage of like smaller creators who think that it's a big deal to have, oh my god, this brand wants to work with me. It's like, they don't want to work with you, they want to fucking use you, and they want to just, you know, they want to get free photos for their shit products, and, you know, it's ridiculous. It's actually insane. It makes me genuinely so mad. Just to prove a point, so I have my FoundOnFilm account. It has a few thousand followers, whatever, but I have another Instagram account, which is Sarah_curse. It has 59 followers at this moment in time, because I just want it to be like random stuff. Mainly I just wanted it to be black and white because I think it looks cool. But this account, as I said, it has 59 followers. Where are these photos? So I posted a photo on my Instagram account that's got 59 followers. DM for collab. Love it. DM Cosmic Vogue. What the fuck is Cosmic Vogue? Nothing that interests me. Please visit us. Something special for you. The fuck? What else have we got on here? Check your inbox. Good proposal for you. Wow, you look amazing. We'd love to collaborate. Please DM us. I've got 59 followers on this account for all they know. And it's literally on like all the photos. Jixty? I can never pronounce that. Hi, DM us for collab. Again, Jixty, hi, DM us to collab. Villovard. Hi, DM Villovard official. Fuck's Villovard. Again, it's just all exactly the same thing. They've found a way to capitalize on influencers who just want to get noticed, or, you know, I don't know. It's just a really, really shitty practice. It makes me really angry that people are getting taken for a ride, essentially, with this every single time. So, yeah, that's my rant for the day on the shitty accounts that leave you DM for collab in every single photo when they just want to take you for a ride. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios!